All right, Gary has tasked me with rebuilding this Ford tractor. It's a 600. It's got the 3-point hitch and the PTO. I'm thinking I'm up to like 640, but I don't know anything at all about these things. So if anybody's got any kind of information, I'd appreciate it. It's gonna be a job. I'm gonna have to learn these tractors good to get it fixed right. Not just a matter of rebuilding the motor, which I don't have a whole lot of experience in that, but I do have some. It's a matter of redoing all the electrics. I'm pretty sure at one time somebody had upgraded this to 12 volt, but I'm just now looking at it. So my opinion may change. See, I thought them starred rims like that were 800, but there goes right off the bat. I don't know what I'm talking about. Unless somebody's changed the rims. We got the 4-speed. I don't know what you call this. Lots of learning here, buddy. And that's just like me. Learn a million things about a 100-year-old technology and nobody cares about it anymore.